Hi guys, it's Dynaman here again. Postage parcels come today for me, and I'm going to unbox it for you guys. It's a powermac G4 quick mirror door. Got it off eBay for 45 quid, including postage, which can cost up to 20 quid. So really, I got the machine for 25 quid. Now I think these are a really good machine to have as a spare. If you're going to do a bit of internet browsing and stuff, they're ideal. And this this MDD Apple powermac G4 will do me nicely. And I'll be doing a few upgrades on this for you lads in the next few videos to come. So stay tuned lads, because here we go. The unboxing of the Apple powermac G4 MDD, which when they came out were a lot of money, but now you can get them for next to nothing. So here we go lads, I'll now unbox this MDD. Here we go. First off, we'll cut through here. And by the way lads, I got this from a place called Stuff You Sell on the internet. A really good deal. They wanted, starting price was £59, but I knocked it down to 45. So here we go. Let's see what's in here. And first off, we have the dreaded peanuts. Now these aren't very good. I don't think they do any good for the machine. But we'll toss them to one side. Right, let's get this baby out. In very good condition for its age as well. Let's get it out of the box. It weighs a ton. God. Anyway, move all these peanuts out the way. It can be a nuisance. You get everywhere. But hey ho. I'm not really bothered lads with the price of this. 45 quid. Now for a working machine is nothing. So take that off there. MDD up on here. So that's very well packed. The reason I got this is there's a lot of expansion cards in this machine. Now this wasn't on it when I saw it on eBay, so I'm a bit worried. It's a 1 gigahertz dual. As you can see here, there's a lot of ports here. We'll just zoom in on it. As you can see on the back, there's a few ports used up here. So I'm hoping there's a fair few good cards in this machine. We'll just have a look at the specs on the back. One gigahertz DP dual processor. Again, this lads, we'll move down. Right, 2 USB 1s, 2 FireWire 400s, gigabit internet, and modem connection. And your plug lead goes in here. Now I'm going to open this machine up, lads, so you can have a look inside. Very easy to do on these. Scratch there, a bit peeved about. Didn't show these damage here, but I've got a spare one in the loft, so I might take this door off and put the one from the G4 in the loft in, because that's damaged, cracked here. This side's alright. So without further ado, let's have a look. This is the reason I bought this machine. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I am very impressed. Look at them cards. They're massive. Look at the fan on that end card. Whoa, serious card. We'll just have a look here. The side. Look at them cards. There's a fan there. The card there goes all the way back with a ribbon. Another card there. All this for 45 quid. Amazing. We've got a Maxter 40 gig hard drive in. We've got all the drive trays under there. Empty. But I've got a 40 gigger. I've got a 60 gig spare drive which I'm going to put in this machine. There's the processor heatsink. Get a good look at it. We'll zoom out again. I think we're too far in there. Right. Got the processor there. Memory. 3 occupied. Memory slots. I'm hoping them are 512s. There's the fan. Look at these cards here. Can't believe I got this for 45 quid including postage. Amazing. Look at that heatsink. Dual processor. That is one big fan there. This has come from a corporate company, by the way, this machine. Here we've got a fan, massive fan, a card next to it which goes all the way back to here. So I'll be doing some more videos on this, guys. This is just the unboxing of my powermac G4 dual 1 GHz desktop computer. So lads, I hope you've enjoyed this video. There'll be plenty more videos to come telling you what kind of cards are actually in this machine. So I'm really impressed, and there's 3 rows of RAM memory in it as well. So there you go, lads, the powermac G4 MDD. So it's Dynaman saying bye for now. Bye.